Have you ever wanted to capture the beauty of nature, but didn't know where to start? I've created a guide to transform that admiration into lines and colors. In my new book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step, I help you decipher the essence of nature, from the initial sketch to the final watercolor artwork. Each step is designed to be light and enjoyable. The book is an invitation for you to relax and learn, step by step, how to bring life to the paper. Perfect for those starting from scratch or wanting to refine their style. The book is for sale on Amazon, but for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's free. You can download and read it right now at no additional cost. You can search for the book title, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step, or by the author's name, Norma Curato. Get yours on Amazon and start your journey today. I look forward to your review on the Amazon ebook page. See you soon.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.